lovelies, welcome back. You want to see how I shape this cookie cream with this video, so you can use this cookie cream to make pasta and the kids will like it just as you are saying. So these are what I'll be using: oil, salt, milk, and make sure you are using the maize oil. So I added the milk, I added vegetable oil. Make sure both of them are on the same level. So I add a pinch of salt, and now I'm going to blend it. All my returnees, thank you. Keep returning. If you're new to the channel, subscribe and follow for more amazing videos. Feel free to check my channel out for other videos that you might find helpful. Thank you for always returning. Guys, stay with me. When I'm fully balanced, I will return and keep uploading the way I used to. I hope this video helps. If you like it, thumbs up for the video, try it, and you will be glad you did. This recipe is a go for pasta, is a go for spaghetti. So no more buying cooking cream. Italians call it Panna, the cucina. Thank you for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.